Batch of 2022, finally some good news for you guys. I'm gonna keep this very short because I have this terrible toothache. And for once, ICSE has released a document that's actually easy to interpret. इसलिए मुझे पहले शक भी हुआ कि ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट है क्या, because पहली बार में ही समझ में आ गया. But it is an official document. Alright, let's keep this simple. You guys will now have 2 official board exams this year. I'm purely addressing the batch of 2022. तो जो लोग grade 9 में है वो लोग प्लीज ये वीडियो को इग्नोर करें because तुम्हारे लिए रूल्स बाद में चेंज हो जाएंगे. Right now I'm only talking about kids who will be giving grade 10 board exams ICSE in April 2022. Alright, so you guys will now have 2 exams. Alright, one will be conducted in the month of November, another will be conducted in the month of March and April. November exam की बात करते हैं. Your reduced syllabus has been bifurcated into 2 halves. Okay, the details of the same are available on the website. Individual subject teachers will definitely guide you with the syllabus and the pattern and everything, but it's available for your reference in case you want to go through it. It's available on the ICSE official website. Anyway, so your reduced syllabus is also bifurcated into 2 halves. The first half is the only thing that you'll be tested upon in the first exam that's conducted, which means you should not accelerate योर पोर्शन का स्पीड, आगे का पोर्शन करवा के कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है. अभी के लिए तुम्हारा पूरा फोकस नवंबर के एग्जाम पे होना चाहिए एंड नवंबर के पोर्शन पे होना चाहिए. इतनी प्रैक्टिस करो कि इसमें तुम्हें फुल मार्क्स ही आने चाहिए. एक तो एमसीक्यू बेस्ड एग्जाम है, 80 मार्क का पेपर होगा. एमसीक्यू बेस्ड एग्जाम. नाउ आई नो 1 मिनट, बाय द वे, when you look at the syllabus you will see that वहां पे लिखा हुआ है bifurcated syllabus में 40 मार्क्स लिखा हुआ है, but the paper is going to be of 80 marks. वो बाद में कंप्यूट करते हो तो उसको हाफ कर डालेंगे वो मार्क्स को. ओके, वो मैथ्स से मेरे को नहीं आता कैसे होता है, बट वो होता है. बट एनीवे, you'll have an 80 mark MCQ based exam in November. MCQs is technically very easy because उसमें जय माता दी करके करना होता है, but you shouldn't get carried away because सारे के सारे लोग KBC नहीं जीते थे. Okay, so I don't think you should be overconfident. But I also have a very valuable advice for you guys. जितने सब्जेक्ट नोट्स मिले थे तुम लोग को, वो सारे पॉइंटलेस है अभी के लिए. नो ऑफेंस टू एनी टीचर, बट जब नोट्स बनाए थे इंक्लूडिंग माई नोट्स, आई हैड डिजाइन्ड इट इन अ वे कीपिंग द 80 मार्क का थियोरी एग्जाम इन माइंड, जो अभी तक चलते आ रही है. बट अब विद दिस सिस्टम द नोट्स आर पॉइंटलेस. Especially, I'm talking on my subject, you only have to focus on the textbook. Textbook को inside out तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए. कोई कहीं से कुछ भी पूछे पर textbook में से ही पूछेंगे, which means your paper will be easy. Your paper is easy to score in, and this time for once, without any jol, all of you guys can score full marks. It's that easy. All right. So I would really consider this good news. I don't care whether ICSE has copied CBSE or whatever, but it's good that ICSE has finally considered the stress that you guys are going through. Now, once you're done with this November exam, then you only have to focus on the remaining portion for March and April का exam. Now, March and April का exam offline होगा, online होगा, MCQ based होगा, subjective होगा, वो सब बाद में पता चलेगा, उसके details नहीं आए हैं. Sir, can we have a sample of these MCQ papers? I'm sure ICSE will धीरे धीरे release some sample papers or specimen papers on their website. Today, they've just made an announcement. They're also going to guide the schools how to conduct these exams. I'm sure they're going to keep everything in mind, considering that some people might have internet issues. Some people in some parts of India don't have a good internet connection. All of those things will be kept in mind. Now, my concern is, what if a child misses this exam because of ill health or because of a broken hand or whatever? But this is not a new concern. Everyone who gives 10th, even in March and April, वो तो तब भी हो सकता है. So my advice is, अब जब तुम्हें पता है नवंबर में तुम्हारी कोई board exam है, please take care of your health. Please don't do anything stupid. Please wear a mask. Stop thinking that COVID's gone. Be extra careful. All right. Don't indulge in physical sports that can harm you in any way, that can hurt you in any way. Also, start preparing yourself for orals. All right. I would encourage all teachers to do this, all parents also to do this. The easiest way to prepare for MCQs is to take up orals. Now, because MCQs is objective based, which means once your child is thorough with a chapter, keep asking them the answers, because the way they answer it orally is exactly how they'll write it on paper. So I think this is great news. Like I said, the document is very easy to understand. One confusion that people have is, so they have said that it's an 80 mark exam, but syllabus mein 40 mark likha hai, so how will this work? That's their computing, they'll do it their way. But I think this is spectacular news. For once, people have been considerate towards the batch of 2022. तुम लोग एक fair तरीके से अच्छे marks ला सकते हो without copying. So that's great. All right. रही बात करंट 9th ग्रेडर्स की, जो लोग बैच ऑफ 2023 है, तुम्हारे लिए बैड न्यूज है. ICSE has clearly mentioned over there won't be any change in the syllabus for grade 9 or grade 11. That's bad. No reduced syllabus, which means सारी की सारी चीजें आ रही है. I was really hoping that Heart of a Tree and Chief Seattle cancel होगा, but वो नहीं होने वाला cancel. Oh, by the way, that also brings me to another thing. In English, we had this option of options basically in a paper. You can choose 5 out of 9 questions. I don't think ऐसा कुछ भी है अभी. मतलब जितना भी वो reduced syllabus हो सब पढ़ना है तुम लोग को. तुम्हारे लिए कोई option नहीं है. ठीक है, I mean you win some, you lose some, but it's a win-win for all, I feel. All right. So I think I've addressed all concerns. 9th की बात हो गई, 10th की बात हो गई. Actually, this is my 5th take at recording this, so I don't really know if I said this in this video or the other take, but I'm going to repeat this once again. I honestly and sincerely appeal to all parents to now be actively involved with your schools, okay? Because a lot of schools assume that बच्चा ट्यूशन जाता होगा, हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, but ऐसा नहीं है. With this current pandemic situation, the more involved a parent is with the school, the better it will be for your child. All right, because eventually when the results are computed from the school's end and sent across to the boards, they don't mess around with kids जिनको उनको पता है कि इनका parent आके मेरे साथ राड़ा करेगा. So parents need to be very vigilant. Parents need to hold school teachers accountable for any paper that they are grading, because I've often seen this practice. When school results come, parents immediately end up asking tuition teachers where the child has gone wrong. Why? The papers are being graded by the school. You ask the school, what were you expecting? What was your expectation with the child? Was the paper pattern as suggested in school? Were the corrections conducted as you had promised the kids? So all of those answers are with the school teachers. All right, so be involved in your child's education at school, so that life becomes easier for your 9th grade also, for 10th grade also. This is for all the parents right now. All right, once again, never go and ask a teacher कि इसका marks बढ़ाओ. Your question should be, where has my child lost? How can my child improve? All right, that is what will make a teacher help you in a better way, because no teacher wants to be accused of doing something wrong. So you go and ask the teacher, okay, ma'am, I think my child is capable of scoring more than this. Can you please guide me where my child has gone wrong, so I make sure that he doesn't repeat the same mistakes. Also, technically, अभी तक जितने भी एग्जाम्स अगर स्कूल्स ने कंडक्ट की है इस एकेडमिक ईयर में, I'm talking about 10th graders, those exams are now null and void मेरे हिसाब से. Those mark sheets won't be counted because they did not follow the new pattern that ICSE has suggested. So now, based on the new pattern, I think you guys will have new exams coming up. Schools whose exams are coming up in August, I honestly don't know what the schools are going to do, what they are going to announce. So let's wait and watch. Today was just the introduction of good news. I'm sure ICSE will give us more details. The minute they give us more details, I'll put it up over here for everybody's sake. Until then, stay safe, be happy. I love you guys. I am very happy. And if anybody knows any good medicines for toothache, please let me know. I've been taking Enzoflam. It's only been my 2nd day. It hurts a lot. I think there's a gash over there. Not that you're interested in it, but stay safe. I love you guys. Take care. Good night. Bye.